Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create a dummy data generator with ChatGPT. So we'll be creating data that is in flat file format, right? So the thing we have to do here is sign up to ChatGPT with OpenAI's invitee. If you don't have invitee, you can wait for that list. In most cases, it will be open for all soon, right? Meanwhile, you can see that dashboard looks something like this. I already tried some of the dummy data generator for CSV data, XML data, and JSON data, right? So here at the bottom, I'm going to zoom in, and here we will be writing our dummy data, right? So let's start with saying I want you to act as a dummy data generator. Okay, make sure to generate 10 lines of following dummy data, and then we will give it some columns: ID, name, age, profession, company, and salary. Right now, the data should contain the headers that we just explained. The result should contain headers row, right? And the format of the data result should be in flat file format, easily readable by those tools that can accept .flat file, right? As you can see, we have explained that, so we can here use .flat file format, right? And we can also go a bit deeper once we have initial set of result, right? So we can tweak the data the way we want. So we'll just hit enter and wait for it to give us the dummy data. As you can see, it is adding that data here. Notice it is making use of the separator here. Each row represents individual identifier. Note that the separator character first row contains the header for each field, exactly how we wanted. Right now, I want to train this particular bot to filter down my data using the above generated data. Make sure to limit the age range from 25 to 65. Make sure to limit the profession to technical positions only. Can also limit the salary range from 25,000 to 85,000. Right, so that's the salary range, and I want to tweak this further. Right, so apart from that, we will keep the ID, name as is. We will just mess with age, profession, and salary. Right, here you can see the company list is here. You can also add one more thing: make sure that your data does not contain company names like Amazon, Netflix, Facebook, Google, and Apple. So what they call it, FANG or something like that. Apple, Amazon, then Google, etc. Right? So these companies I don't want. You can read the LLCs from the web and use them in this data. Let's say for something like Delaware, you can use the LLCs. company LLC names from web or Delaware and use them in this data. Let's run this. Using above generated data, it has started. Okay, as you can see, it has used some of the LLCs here, and we don't have any Apple, Amazon, Facebook, etc. So now our data is much more polished, right? Notice that it has used all the criterias that we asked it to do. So it seems like we got the flat file and data, and that too through the data generator exactly how we wanted.